Hey y'all, this is CL Mauer from XDA Developers. Coming here today to show you my Prestige 7L. It is currently right now running CM10 that I built from source. Um, as you see, it's a basic version right now. There's not a whole lot of performance boost increases or anything like that. It's just a basic um, clockwork or not clockwork mod, Kyrogen mod installation. It's running Jelly Bean 4.1.2, and to show you, if you go in about tablet, as you see, it definitely says Kyrogen mod Prestige 7L, and it's Android version 4.1.2, and it's just stock kernel right now. Everything seems to be working so far. There is one slight bug I need to work on. But if you go into here, as you see, I am connected to my Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is turned on. I am connected. Signal's decent. So can't really complain about that. Still testing battery life. Not totally sure. Just got this up and running not too long ago. So I will report back with battery life status. Obviously, we don't have Bluetooth on this device. So that will not turn on. But if you go in here, I mean, it's your basic CM based ROMs. If you've dealt with CM before, then you'll be pretty familiar with how everything's set up on here. Nothing else has really changed. Same basic stuff. The one big bug I did find is it does not rotate. I do not know why. All the settings are set to rotate. Maybe it's something within the build.prop. I'm not entirely sure. Need to do a little more checking on that to find out why it will not rotate. But as you see, if I go into here and go under display, rotation, the auto rotation is checked. Again, why does it not rotate? Not sure. We'll figure that out. We'll get that working. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this. We do have we do have super user installed by default. First time I opened it up, standard super user features. Camera does work. As you see, camera does work. I can take pictures. Can also do zoom in, zoom out. Obviously, you can't do the back camera, as this does not have back camera. So your basic options are here for everything. Video recorder, panoramic. So that's that. Internet does work. As you see, it's loading up XDA. It's actually loading up Google. Oh, being a little impatient. As you see, it's still not the quickest device. I mean, there's only so much you can do with the device with the lack of hardware that we have on this thing. But it does load up. Everything does work. We also had the advanced reboot options, silent, airplane mode, power off, reboot. The reboot, recovery, and bootloader. I have not tried the bootloader, so I do not know if the bootloader works. But as for an added little bonus, another thing that I got working. Oops. Let's try this again. Reboot, recovery. Okay. As you see right now, it's rebooting, and this is an extra little treat that I got working and is fully working on this device, which is going to be a huge plus for a lot of developers for this device. I know there's only a couple right now. As you see, I was running Rabbids 4.1.1, but hey, look at this. It's CWM, and it is fully working. I can go in and I can do pretty much everything that I need to do in CM10 or CWM. It is not touch enabled. I do not have a way to get it touch enabled right now. I'm not a recovery developer, so if there's a recovery developer out there that is willing to help me get this touch enabled, that would be amazing, but not necessary, as everything does work. You can install from zip, choose from internal zip, and as you see, this is the eMMC, which is, if you're familiar with Clockwork mods, or not Clockwork mods, CM10 or CM based ROMs, I should say. That's your internal SD card. Same thing goes for if you have the internal SD, the external SD card, you can boot up from there. But everything does work in here. I have rebooted. I have wiped the data factory reset. I have wiped the caches, installed ROMs. Obviously, I installed my ROM to get this up and running. So it is fully working. And again, as you see, I used to run RabbitX's ROM. Very good ROM. Just you know, I missed my CM stuff. Missed my CM10. Yeah, well, actually, I missed my CM10.1, but that's besides the point. Hopefully, with this little advancement, I guess, in lack of better terminology right now, for this device, hopefully we can get some developers to start creating some ROMs. My next project on this thing will be to continue to work on this current version, the 4.1.2, possibly going to a 4.2.2, depending if I can get everything working correctly. I do have a development for the 4.2.2. Not happy with it right now. It's not, the device does not like it. So I'm working on that one, but as of right now, this is definitely better than what we had. It's a little more intuitive, a little quicker. Like I said, GApps is not currently installed right here, but we do have GApps available for it. GApps does work. Everything works in the GApps. So if you're a big GApps guy, that will definitely be a plus. I'm also creating two different versions of the GApps. I'm going to create a marketplace only version, which basically just installs the Play Store and the needed files for the Play Store to run correctly. And then you can add additional Google apps or apps as you would see fit to your needs. And I will also be creating a GApps with a full-blown version of install, which I won't actually be creating. I'll be actually just linking to GUIM to basically put that out there. Other than that, I think that's about all. Hope you guys enjoyed the show, and look forward to seeing what the rest of the community can do with this ROM as a base, and hopefully we get some kick-ass ROMs for this ROM. Talk to you guys later.